Now student, we are going to discuss question number 9.20, and in this question it is given to you we have two strips of metal are riveted together at their ends by 4 rivets. Clear? So now try to understand this question. Let's suppose here I am having, this is a metallic strip. Clear? And let's suppose here we also have one more metallic strip. Clear? Let's suppose if I attach here 4 rivets. So let's suppose rivet number 1, we can say 2. Clear? Rivet number 3, I can say this one, and rivet number 4. So let's suppose here we have two metallic plates, and these metallic plates are attached to each other like this. Clear? Let's suppose I am exerting here external force F. Let's suppose here I am exerting force F. So we can say, actually we can say here two forces are acting in a tangential direction. Clear? So this tangential directional force, due to this tangential directional force, it is given here. Actually it is resisted by a diameter of a rivet, that is 6 mm. Fine. So what is maximum tension that can be exerted by the riveted strip? Clear? Shearing stress value, maximum value of shearing stress is given. Now listen carefully. First, if I calculate here total stress, I can say actually this is shear stress. Shear stress I can say force per unit area. Clear? Now if I write here force on each rivet, force on each rivet, force on each rivet. Clear? This is given by F by 4A. Clear to everyone? Because we have total 4 rivets and force on each rivet, this is given by F by 4A. Clear? Now if we find here, because here our objective here is to calculate maximum shear stress. Clear? So now we can say, here we can write like this, this F by 4A, this should be either equal or less than given maximum value of shear stress, this is 6.9 into 10 to the power 7 Pascal. Clear? So my question in this, my objective in this question, we have shearing stresses on the rivet. Clear? So my objective here is to calculate maximum tension. Clear? What is maximum tension? It means we have to calculate here F maximum. Clear? So we can say F maximum, this should be equal to 6.9 into 10 to the power 7. It is multiplied with 4 times of A. So this is 4 times A. A means we can say area. Area is given to you, just diameter is given 6 mm. So pi by 4 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Clear? So this is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Clear? So if you calculate here, you can see, if you calculate here, we can write like this, F maximum, this is given by 6.9 into 10 to the power 7 into pi into, we can say this is 216 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear? So now if we calculate, clear, so we can write like this, value of maximum tension that is given by, or maximum tension value given by, approximately I am taking this is 7. So I am just calculating here approximation. Clear? Approximate calculation I am taking here. So now I can say this value we have 7 multiply, this one is what, 10 to the power 7. Clear? And I can say this is pi, I am taking approximately this is 3. Clear? And this is what, 216 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now we can say 10 to the power 7 we have, this one is cancelled out, we have only 10 left. Clear? So now we can say we have 21 into 10 into 216. Clear? If you multiply it with 21, you can write like this, we have 6. Clear? We have 12 left. We can say we have 33, we have 3, so 42 and 3, this is 45. Clear? And we can say multiplied with 10. Clear? So maximum tension we are getting in this question, that is equal to T, this should be equal to 45360 Newton, or you can write like this, this is 45.360 kilonewton. Clear? So this is all about this question. Clear?